beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a skin repair remedy that would work wonders in your or rather on your skin. Okay, so when you have pimples, when you have age spots, this skin repair remedy is just going to help you to glow your skin, and you are going to be loving it because it's actually very mild. It's something you can use every day, but of course you would have to use it just like I'm going to tell you in the video. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. So the first ingredient we're going to be making use of will be rice, and rice has oil absorbing property which makes it perfect for acne prone skin. It also contains anti-aging property which delays the signs of aging, and it keeps you looking younger for longer. It helps to remove fine line and as well as wrinkles, and it also helps you glow. And then you're going to be making use of potato. Potato contains vitamin B and vitamin C which helps to lighten up the skin. Potato also provides lots of fiber, and it helps to repair the skin. Potato also helps to lighten up the skin, keeps the skin glowing, and it also exfoliates dead skin cells. And then we're going to be making use of tomato. Tomato treats open pores. Tomato helps to glow the skin. It prevents the signs of aging. It acts as a stress reliever. It also fights cellular damage on the skin, and it also prevents fine lines and aging, and it reduces the size of an open pores. And we're going to be needing egg. Now egg white helps to tighten up the skin. It works so well in reducing and diminishing the size of or the signs of aging, and it also works in rejuvenating the skin. It helps the skin glow, and it makes you look really young. Alright guys, so to process this rice, you're going to be boiling it. So this is my fresh rice. I actually boiled it, blended it, okay, and now we're going to be using the blended rice. So we're going to be taking just 1 full tablespoon of this rice. And also you're going to blend the potato, okay? Now this, so you can actually get the full benefit, and 1 tablespoon of the potato is going to be perfect. Then for the egg, you're going to be putting in the white. So I'm going to be breaking in just the white. Alright, so for the tomato guys, you're going to cut the tomato into tiny pieces, okay, because we're going to be blending it. So I'm going to be blending it. Alright, so now I'm going to be putting in the tomato. 2 tablespoons of that is going to be okay. Okay guys, so now we'd have to be mixing it. and it's properly mixed. Prepare a rough skin, you're gonna be needing to use this, and this is really nice. Okay, so you're going to apply that onto your skin wherever you have roughness. Just like me, I have some roughness here. Okay, so you're going to apply this generously, and yes, you would have to first of all refrigerate this, okay, because it's ideal for you to refrigerate your treatment before you apply it onto your skin. It's going to make it pop. Make it all pop up. So after you refrigerate it for like 5 to 10 minutes, then you would have to apply it, and it's gonna be feeling really cool. So you apply it generously, and you can also apply it onto your neck. That's if you have some darkness on your neck, okay. And this is ideal if you want to apply it under your eye. It's going to really work for you under your eye because it's friendly enough. Okay guys, so after you generously apply this, for this treatment, if you want to store it, you can only store it for 3 days because it's not going to stay long in your refrigerator because of the rice. It's going to get thick. But of course, if you want to use it again, then you have to like blend it all over again, and it has to stay cool, okay, so it doesn't go bad. Otherwise, it's going to go bad. So how you do this is that you're going to allow this to set and dry onto your face. Now when it dries, you are going to be seeing that your skin is going to get tighter, okay. Now it's definitely going to repair your skin. Now this is optional, you can as well scrub it, which is what I'm going to do because of course I need to repair some of this stuff on my skin right now. So you can as well scrub it. And then you massage it. Okay, so for this to actually sit put onto your skin, you would have to apply it again, and this time around you would have to let it sit and dry, okay, so that it is going to help you tighten up your skin. Now if you have a large pores, it's actually going to help. Going to help so well. Alright, so after this, then you can actually wash it off with cool water. Follow suit with a toilet soap. Now I have this toilet soap here. It's actually a black African soap mixed with some stuff. You can see how it is. It's mixed with some stuff, and that is actually what I use for my face. You would be loving it when you are consistent in it because it is natural. And what I use all over my skin that you see me, that you see all of this, it's all natural remedy, and I use it like almost every day, or rather every day, okay, and it works wonders on my skin, and I am loving it. Alright, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you. Bye guys, and stay flawless.